وإلى ثمود أخاهم صالحا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره قد جاءتكم بينة من ربكم هذه ناقة الله لكم آية فذروها تأكل في أرض الله ولا تمسوها بسوء فيأخذكم عذاب أليم.
And to the Thamud we sent their brother Salih. He said, O my people, worship Allah. You have no deity other than Him. There has come to you clear evidence from your Lord. This is the she-camel of Allah sent to you as a sign. So leave her to eat within Allah's land, and do not touch her with harm, lest there seize you a painful punishment.
واذكروا إذ جعلكم خلفاء من بعد عاد وبوأكم في الأرض تتخذون من سهولها قصورا وتنحتون الجبال بيوتا فاذكروا آلاء الله ولا تعثوا في الأرض مفسدين.
And remember when He made you successors after the Ad and settled you in the land, and you take for yourselves palaces from its plains and carve from the mountains homes. Then remember the favors of Allah and do not commit abuse on the earth, spreading corruption.
قال الملأ الذين استكبروا من قومه للذين استضعفوا لمن آمن منهم أتعلمون أن صالحا مرسل من ربه قالوا إنا بما أرسل به مؤمنون.
Said the eminent ones who were arrogant among His people to those who were oppressed, to those who believed among them, do you actually know that Salih is sent from his Lord? They said, indeed we, in that with which he was sent, are believers.
قال الذين استكبروا إنا بالذي آمنتم به كافرون.
Said those who were arrogant, indeed we, in that which you have believed, are disbelievers.
فعقروا الناقة وعتوا عن أمر ربهم وقالوا يا صالح ائتنا بما تعدنا إن كنت من المرسلين.
So they hamstrung the she-camel and were insolent toward the command of their Lord and said, O Salih, bring us what you promise us, if you should be of the messengers.
فأخذتهم الرجفة فأصبحوا في دارهم جاثمين.
So the earthquake seized them, and they became within their home, corpses fallen prone.
فتولى عنهم وقال يا قوم لقد أبلغتكم رسالة ربي ونصحت لكم ولكن لا تحبون الناصحين.
And he turned away from them and said, O my people, I had certainly conveyed to you the message of my Lord and advised you, but you do not like advisors.
ولوطا إذ قال لقومه أتأتون الفاحشة ما سبقكم بها من أحد من العالمين.
And we had sent Lot when he said to his people, "Do you commit such immorality as no one has preceded you with from among the worlds?
إنكم لتأتون الرجال شهوة من دون النساء بل أنتم قوم مسرفون."
Indeed, you approach men with desire instead of women. Rather, you are a transgressing people.
وما كان جواب قومه إلا أن قالوا أخرجوهم من قريتكم إنهم أناس يتطهرون.
But the answer of his people was only that they said, "Evict them from your city. Indeed, they are men who keep themselves pure."
فأنجيناه وأهله إلا امرأته كانت من الغابرين.
So we saved him and his family, except for his wife. She was of those who remained with the evildoers.
وأمطرنا عليهم مطرا فانظر كيف كان عاقبة المجرمين.
And we rained upon them a rain of stones. Then see how was the end of the criminals.